Hey everybody. After a long night of riding, I had an issue with my clutch side brush guards giving me grief, and it actually unscrewed and came loose because I was missing a screw. But one of the main problems I'm having on both sides is that the levers coming out to fully engage stop at the bar where it's lined up. So on both sides, I had to adjust it, down or up, or even at a time even off the lever to find that sweet spot. But I found the solution. What happened tonight was the screw came out of both ends. I lost a nut and bolt here, and the end cap came out. So the temporary fix until I can get to the hardware store to get another replacement nut and screw. I just zip tied it for now, but I had to change the geometry of the brush guard here. So having the same problem on this side, and I know for a fact that this bike has been dropped on both sides from the previous owner, I'm having the same problem here, that the lever is not able to fully disengage here. So I'm gonna show you the quick fix right now. So stand by. Okay, so all I did on the other side was simply bend. You want to get this bend right here, and your joint here is going to allow for maximum flexion, so maximum effort. That's all I did, just barely gave it a bend. Okay, so let's see how it fits now. So after that slight bend and reinstalling, I have perfect brake control here, or brake decompression, whatever you want to call it, and have plenty of room at the lever, so it's not going to give it a false brake setting. You can hear the click of the switch activating, and that's your problem solved. Okay. Well, I hope that helped at least one person out there. If you have any questions or other projects you want us to show you, let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. All right.